Hey everyone, I'm Dave. We're going to be doing fish tacos and shrimp tacos and see who comes out as best on the grill. Fish versus shrimp tacos, let's get it started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prep our fish. We're going to keep this really simple, and again, fish, you could use any kind of white fish you want. I'm using tilapia here today. I'm going to use the cayenne pepper, paprika, chili powder, some cumin, some minced garlic, lemon juice, and vegetable oil. We're just going to stir that up there. And then we're going to dip the fish in and get it on both sides. That's going to work perfectly. Now we're going to do that with all of them. I'll put them in the fridge to sit for about 20 minutes while we get the shrimp ready, and then we'll be firing up the grill. Now for the shrimp, we're using large shrimp. We're going to be using another simple marinade, similar ingredients to what we just used. We're using chili powder, cumin, some garlic powder, olive oil, and a little kosher salt. We're going to mix this all up. And again, we're just going to dip the shrimp in, get them nice and marinated, and that'll work out perfect for the shrimp. We'll get the grill fired up, get things going. One other thing we're gonna do real quick before we fire up the grill is get the sauce ready that we're gonna use on both tacos. We've got sour cream, mayonnaise, cumin, garlic powder, a little kosher salt, some lime juice, and a little sriracha or your favorite hot sauce that you wanna use. We're gonna mix this up, and then we'll save this for when we finish the tacos to put on top. Oh, that's good. Now that the fish and the shrimp have marinated for a little bit, we're ready to throw them on the grill. We've got it fired up to temperature. I threw these on skewers just so that they'd be easier to flip. We're gonna lay down a little oil and lay out the shrimp first here. Now we're gonna throw the tilapia out here as well. Oh, it smells so good. All right, now this won't take too long. We're gonna flip it in a little bit, and then we'll be ready to put our tacos together. This all smells so good already. I can't wait to put the tacos together. Gonna give a quick flip to the tilapia and the shrimp as well. It's really easy with the skewers. Oh man, I cannot wait to eat these. All right, the fish and shrimp are done. We're just gonna first take them off here, and we'll just tear the fish up to throw into our tacos. Oh, they smell outstanding. The shrimp will lay over here. Perfect. Now we're gonna real quick get our tortillas going too. Gonna lay down some oil here and just give them a quick warm on the grill on both sides. Okay, so we lightly grilled up the tortillas as well. Let's start building these. We're gonna take the taco sauce that we made earlier. We're gonna lay some down on each taco. Now we're gonna take the red cabbage, lay some out on each. This will give a nice texture to both the shrimp and the fish tacos. Now for the two stars of the show, we've got the shrimp and load it on. And I'm just gonna tear up pieces of the tilapia to go on here. Doesn't have to look pretty, but they'll taste amazing. Yep, they will taste amazing. Put this back. Now we'll load on a little of the avocado. These just look fantastic. We're gonna throw on some of the cheese, a little red onion, a little pico de gallo, a little lime juice on these, and a little cilantro on the top. I have waited long enough. I'm diving in on these. Got to try the shrimp taco first. Oh man, that taco sauce, the wonderful grilled shrimp with that marinade, that's incredible. Now let's see how the fish taco stands up. So good. As far as the competition, there isn't one. Both of these are outstanding. Thanks so much for joining me. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. Have a great day, and remember, spread love through barbecue.